Reshuffle. Full handle. You need full handle. Reshuffle.
Let us start. Go start.
4-point game.
4-point game. 4-point game. Third quarter.
Late, you're late, Chris.
Joe scores 27-21, East by 4 points. Mark, Joey, the shot. Again, the class. The first. Whoa. 6-point lead by East.
Help. Look inside.
Mark, no good.
Hey, look into the
Good to go. Score is 35-27, 8-point lead by East. Score is 38 points by East again. Joey. Oh, wow. And
Score.
38-30. 8-point lead by East. Team 1. First team foul. East.
Sindal lang kita ng konsola pero naman. Hindi, yung bid mo, yung bid mo.
Okay!
Miss Happy!
No, 5 minutes. Yes, because it's only 10 minutes. 5 minutes, stop.
No good.
5 minutes, yeah.
We only start 10 seconds. We're doing 10.
Oh, play 10
Yeah,
seconds?
10 quarters.
Good again. No good. Oh, Ricardo, Toroni. Gabriel. Five.
Score.
5 minutes, 47. 30, 32.
38, 5-point lead. By East. Get ready for Santos. Still high, but
Go! Big, big, big!
Clock is running. 5 points. 5-point game.
Yeah, third quarter. 38-33. Number Ricardo, number 1 people.
Sabi ko don't do that again. Just here.
Number Ricardo.
Pasok, bro.
Going for 3, number. Good. Good. Score is 40-33, 7-point lead, 3 minutes, 8 seconds.
I will switch it up later. I'll get the bottom.
Joy.
Pagkuhan niya, Joey, para fourth quarter.
Still Bernino. 2 minutes, 45 seconds. Together, deposit.
Let's go, Eddie.
Attack, mismatch. There you go. Malas talaga. Five points.
Score 40-35.
Para atake na sa fourth.
2 minutes, 7 seconds of third quarter.
5 points, 35-40. 5 points.
2 minutes.
Let's go. And one. Find your man.
Yeah. 1 minute 30 seconds. Igor, assist by Igor. 3-point lead by East. 1 minute.
One stop.
30
Hey, let's make this.
Number 19.
Loud.
20 seconds, 20 seconds.
Let's go.
Mandatory stop. Mandatory stop for player, okay? I forgive. For 9 minutes, 29 seconds. 25 seconds left. 5, 14, 12, 45 seconds. Stop for 3, go good.
Ilang team foul pag-open?
Joey, after 2 by Joey. 6-point game, 39-25.
Stop. Open. Forty-two, 47, 5-point lead by East. Again, start for team. Oh, 5 down. First personal foul, time. 7 minutes, 10 seconds. Good for 1 for Ricardo. Another 1. Oh, again, Ricardo. 3-point game.
2-point game, 47-42. release. Move. To pass. Oh, good foul. For the foul. Joey. 13 foul. Time, 6 minutes, 20 seconds.
Yung last 2 minutes. Stop na.
Time, good ball. Going for 3. 5 minutes, 57 seconds. 44-50, 6.3 Arben. 80 for 3. Oh, rebound by Carlo. Oh, just for 2. Substitution.
Big.
Five minutes, 24 seconds. 25 seconds on that. 46-40. 46-50. Oh. For 52 more, 6-point lead by East. Mike for 3. Good. Oh, he got a pass. Good. 25 seconds in that. We go for 3. Finish. Oh, black line. Stop. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Stop.
Get it, Tony.
Score is 52-48.
Dia!
Arben, first down. 15 foul. West. Get time. To Ellen for 3 again. Assist again. 55-48, 7-point lead. Sandro 3, no good. Rebound Josh. Right. 20 seconds on that. 2 minutes, 40 seconds. No good. Rebound by Josh. Yeah, 2 minutes.
Go!
Go! Arden, no good. Rebound by Josh. Time for three, no good again. Rebound by Arden. One minute, 25 seconds.
Go, bro, go, 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 go.
Joey. 55 for 8. Joey. No good. Oh! 1 point game. 50-55. Oh! 1 minute 10 seconds. 1 minute 10 seconds. Joey. No good. Oh, rebound by Bernard. 40 seconds left. 15. Error. Error. Oh! Error is like 29 seconds. Oh! Rebound by Josh. Oh! 27 seconds. 25. Good. 15 seconds. Time. Alvin. 53, 57. And our MVP right now is the name substitution for football yellow, Eric Gumba. Hey, MVP, Gumba. Eric Gumba is the MVP substitute, replacement for football yellow.
Replacement over.
Good game, guys.
King. Then he got the shoes, then he got the trophy. Yeah, so where's the other team from?
Tournaments? Good.
Next time we're gonna have
If someone doesn't have a game, you got these guys.
for sure. Yeah. I mean like championship night. Yeah, that's fun. Have fun. Congrats, Step East. Too many big guys. Dude, sa line-up kayo yung malakas eh. You're come on. You're big, guys. You're big. You're not in the lineup. They're supposed to win the lineup, right?
Presentation namin.
You have Joey.
You just need to stop Joey. And Sven. And Eddie.
Yeah. You have Eddie. You have San. Come on, Arvin. Come on, guys.
Good fun. Good fun. This Messi.
Come on.
I don't know.
They need one more for Arquero. Arquero. Tulong ako ba, Joey?
Ay,
Me
Me, I tried. Now.
Guys, I will just say that, you know, about the raffle, because I will hold it in our who is going to win. So the shoes, right? Still.
I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna try those ones. Is it okay? Yeah.
Still
Don't
okay?
like it.
Ready?
Very good.
Yeah, I know. I just gotta try.
Yeah. Oh, come on, Ramil. I thought you're gonna win.